Hello, you're welcome back. Today I'm going to treat logarithm of numbers less than 1. And I have about 4 questions to solve. You can see the questions on the board. I'm starting from number 1. We have number log. The first one, zero point 6924 divided by 1, followed by 0.0837, that is by 2. Then you go to log table, check 69 under 2 difference 4. And from logarithm, 69 under 2 is 8401. 8401. Difference 4 is 2. So you add, that's 3. Bring down 0, 4, 8. So we have 8401. 8401. Then, 8403 from here. 8403. So we move on to the second number, which is we check it's 3 under 7, and it's from log table 83 under 7 is 9227. 9227. We add since it's multiplication. So this is 0, carry 1, this is 3, then this is 6, this is 14, 4, carry 1. Bar 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus bar 2 is bar 2. So we have the value 0. Sorry, there's a mistake somewhere, please. There's a mistake somewhere, so let me correct it. This is 0. This is 3. Well, this is 10. Carry 1, 3. This is 6. And this is 17. 8 plus 9, 17. You write 7, carry 1. Then 1 plus bar 1 is 0, and then plus bar 2 is bar 2. So we are now having bar 2.7630. So we are going to check this from anti-log, and then that will give us the final answer. So from anti-log, we have 76 under 3. 76 under 3 will give us 5768. 5768. But the characteristic here is bar 2. So our final answer should be 0.05768 as the final answer to that. So quickly we go over to number 2. Go over to number 2, and that is number log. We pick the values 0.0824, 0.0824 bar 2. This is bar 2. The other one is 0.00 9627. That should be bar 3. Then we check 82 under 4, ordinary log. And 82 under 4 will give us 9159. 9159. Then 96 under 2 difference 7. 96 under 2 should give us 9832. Ordinary log. Difference 96 under 2 will give us that. Difference 7 will give us 3. Then you add, and that will be 5, 3, 8, 9. That is 9835. 9835. Since we are dividing, we have to subtract. I have to subtract. So in doing that, we have 9 minus 5 is 4. Bringing down 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then this is 1. 11 minus 8 is 3. Many 8s. Pick one from here. Then 18 minus 9 is 9. This will now be bar 3. Because if you are picking one here, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. That should be bar 3. So bar 3 minus bar 3 should be 0. Should be 0. So what we are now having is 0.83. So we have to check 9324 from anti-log. And 93 under 2 will give us 8551. 8551. Difference 4 give us 8. That is 9558. 9558. So since we have 0 as the characteristic, our final answer will be 1 digit before decimal point. And that is 8.559 as our final answer to that. So that is that about that number. And then we are now going over to number 3. And in number 3, we have number 3, we have roots. And number 3, we have fourth root. Fourth root of 0.00786. So as usual, we have our number log. And then that is a fourth root. Fourth root of 0.00786. So this will give us bar 3 point. We check the log of 78 under 6. And 78 under 6, we have 8954. 8954. We are dividing by 4 because that's if you are looking for the root, you are using log, you have to find the log and then divide by 4. So in that case, and remember that this is the same thing as minus 3 plus 0.8954, everything divided by 4. And then if you check, you discover that 4 cannot divide minus 3. So anytime you have a question like this, you just have to look for a number that will make this whole thing divisible by 4 or by any number. So in this case, the smallest number we can remove and also add is we have to minus 1 from here and add 1 to this. And that will give us minus 3 minus 1 plus 1.8954 divided by 4. That means I have subtracted 1 from here and I've added 1 to this. So it is at this point you can now go ahead and divide. So coming back to this side, we what are we doing? Okay, we clean this. So we're now going to have minus 4 plus 1.8954. We are dividing by 4. And that will give us, this one will give us minus 1 plus, this is 0. In 18, we have 4. Remaining 2 in 29, we have 7. Remaining 1 in 15, we have 3. Remaining 3 in 34, we have 7 again. Remaining, in 34, we have 8. Remaining 2 in 20, we have 5, and so on. Continues. I think that should be so. From what I have, that is after dividing, we have what? I have 0. That's by 1.47385. By 1.47385. Yes. So this is the same thing as by 1.47385. Then, since we are using 4-figure table, we are going to check, because we have divided, we are going to check 47 under 3 difference 9 instead of, because this is up to 5. So in doing that, we have the from 4-figure table, 47 under 3 difference 9. 47 under 3. 47 under 3. 7 under 3 will give us 2972. 2972. That's 47 under 3. 47 under 3. So approximately it should be difference 9 to give us 6. And that would be 8792. So, but remember, we have bar 1.47385. So after this is the anti-log. That's the anti-log. And then our final answer, I said I took it as 47 under 3 difference 9 because this is up to 5. So we take it to be 1. Add it to this, making it 4739 instead of 38. So our difference 9 now will give us 6. And this is the final answer. But we have to check, this is bar 1. So since it is bar 1, means that our final answer will be 0.2978. 0.2978 as our final answer. So this is the answer to that. Why this is the anti-log. So that is the end of that. We are now going to number 4 quickly. And in number 4, we have this. What we are supposed to do here is to find the log of this minus log of this divided by 3. So quickly we have number log 0.1732. That is bar 1. 0.02371 bar 2. So 17 under 3 difference 2. From the log, 17 under 3 difference 2 will give us 2385. 2385. Then the other one, 23 under 7 difference 1. 23 under 7 difference 1 will give us 3749. 3749. Okay. We are subtracting since we have division. So borrow 1 here, this will give us 6. That's 15 minus 9. 6 remaining 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. This one, 13 minus 7, that's 6. This one will remain 1. 11 minus 3, that's 8. And then bar 2 minus bar 2 will give us 0. Because when you remove 1 here, it turns to bar 2. So at this point now, we have to divide by 3. We are dividing this by 3. So to divide it by 3, we have 0.8636. We are dividing by 3. That will give us 0.2. Then continuing, 26 should give us 8. 23 give us 7. 26 again will give us 8. Remaining 2 in 20 will give us 6. Continues like that. So, and that means we are going to have, we approximate it to 0.2879. Then we check this from the anti-log. And then that means we have 2807 difference 9. That will give us anti-log. That will give us 1940. 1940. And that means that our final answer, because we have 0, that will give us 1 digit before this decimal. So our final answer is 1.940 as the answer to that question, and that's the answer to number 4. Answer to number 4. So I think that brings us to the end of this. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any question, you are free to ask. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.